Are you tired of spending hours, or even days, manually cleaning large sets of data in Google Sheets? Do you struggle with sending personalized outreach messages in bulk? Imagine having the power of ChatGPT, the AI behind GPT-3, right inside your Google Sheets. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock the full potential of GPT-3 and revolutionize the way you work with data in Google Sheets. Stay tuned till the end to learn how you can start using GPT-3 in your Sheets today. Let us say you have a large data set of messy addresses of your customer and you want to get the state for each address in abbreviated form and the zip code for each address as well. You can simply use the GPT-3 formula inside Google Sheets. Now, if you want to write custom greetings for every family using the power of AI and you have one column with the name of the family and column B with the things you have to mention inside the thank you card, you can easily do so using GPT formula. This can also be used further to send our personalized outreach messages on LinkedIn, sending custom replies on Twitter, etc. Now, if you have a large number of product reviews for your e-commerce store given by your customers and you want to summarize each of the reviews so that you can take certain actionable decisions based on it, you can easily do that as well using GPT formula. Finally, if you have a sample of input data and output data and don't want to give the exact instructions on what AI should do, GPT formula will take example inputs and example outputs in the formula, find a pattern and then produce the outputs for subsequent cells based on it. That is magic. Create an account on OpenAI API to get started. Click Login and sign in with your Google or Microsoft account. After signing in, click on the OpenAI profile and click View API Keys. Now, click on Create New Secret Key and copy it to your clipboard. Now, click on the extensions inside your Google Sheet and then click on Appscript. Paste the secret key where it is written. Paste your secret key here inside the double colons. Now click Save. To test out whether the code is working or not, after completing the instructions section above, try typing as instructed.